Dorm essentials include a handy first aid kit for those unexpected accidents. However, do students have the supplies needed to assist their peers with their mental health struggles? Well, BUBeWell has the perfect event for this scenario. Mental health is a topic that Butler does not shy away from, offering many tools and resources for students, including a seminar to help out your peers who are struggling. This event is called the Mental Health First Aid Seminar, or the MHFA. This is an opportunity to learn about the warning signs and symptoms that indicate mental health problems in individuals. Leah Weprich, the Associate Director of Wellness and Safety Programs, talks about what the MHFA will entail.
So we offer, it's actually a certification, so it's a class. We sometimes refer to it, you can get certified in physical, CPR, first aid, and this is essentially CPR for mental health concerns. So what it is essentially a course that gives students, faculty, and staff tools to recognize certain mental health issues and crises, and then tools to respond to those safely and to escalate and give them, the resources to help anyone in their lives that they recognize are struggling. Everyone at some point struggles with something, right? I think as you go through this certification and you see some of the warning signs, it's a lot more common. I think before it was something that was a little bit scary, and students maybe, or we hear from a lot of faculty, like maybe we know something's going on, but we don't know what to do and we don't know how to handle it. And so this is really giving the tools to empower people to recognize and then take that next step to give help and get them connected with further resources rather than just doing nothing.
The training that will be offered includes the ALGE action plan listed on Butler's website. This stands for Assess for Risk of Suicide or Harm, Listen Non-Judgmentally, Give Reassurance and Resource, Encourage Appropriate Professional Help, and Encourage Self-Help and Other Support Strategies. Senior Abby Schumann talks about her experience attending the MHFA seminar.
But it was really impactful. We learned how to respond if somebody had a panic attack or if there was like an overdose that we were present for. And so just how to take the proper precautions and make the individual feel safe and help them calm back down. Putting yourself in that situation can seem kind of scary, knowing that could happen, but it's cool now that I have the tools to be able to help somebody in either of those incidents.
The Mental Health First Aid event will be held virtually later this month on September 20th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and later on in the semester on November 8th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the HRC. 30 seats are available for each free session, which is open to all Butler parents, students, faculty, and staff. For the Butler Collegian, I'm multimedia reporter McKenna Curless.